Hi everyone, and welcome to the Caminito del Rey in Malaga, where we'll be taking a guided tour through Malaga's famous gorge. Very exciting. Yes, we'll take you along with us, show you what to expect, hopefully see some epic scenery.
Yeah.
That's what we're here for.
And maybe we'll develop a fear of heights, which you'll see in a moment.
So we're walking now to first get our helmets, because you need a helmet. Apparently this trail used to be very dangerous, which we'll tell you about along the way. But I hope you enjoy. So there's a little bit of a walk before we go and get our helmet and go to the main gorge, but it's pretty in its own right. Gently strolling towards...
Where you get the helmets on, I think.
Yeah.
The bit that's a bit higher.
Yeah.
A bit more risky.
Yes, we might get scared. Who knows?
Let's see what happens.
Who knows?
I'm excited. Excited to see the views.
Yes, definitely. That's the best part of it.
Yeah.
It stopped raining for now. Fingers crossed. It stays dry. Oh, walking through a spooky cave.
Yeah, I'm loving the caves we're going through. That's great, isn't
I
it?
didn't expect this part of the experience.
Oh, do you think it looks like a dolphin?
Did you say a dolphin or a dog?
I'm sure he said a dolphin, didn't he? Like a really thin one.
Yeah. I was looking at that one in the middle that looks like a dog. It looks like a dachshund. So we booked this trip through Get Your Guide, and it includes a round trip from Malaga centre where you get on a coach and then a guided tour through the Caminito del Rey. You can do it yourself if you get a train and then a shuttle bus to the start and book your tickets through the website directly. So you could probably save yourself a bit of money there, but the trains aren't very often, so just plan ahead. This was about £50 per person. This is like a lake, would you say? No, a river running through on the way.
Very brown.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so brown.
I think it's all the sludge, because when we were walking it's quite sludgy in parts, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's been very rainy in Malaga this last couple of weeks.
I wonder if it's all going to be this colour. Or does it get nice and blue at some point?
I don't know. Got to wear these under your helmet if you haven't got a hat. It's very sexy.
Looking very cool lately. Looking snazzy.
I do not suit a helmet.
Does anyone?
Some people do. I think you look alright.
Oh, it looks solid.
All the videos that we've seen of this have been bright sunshine, stunning views, non-brown water. But that wouldn't be our video though if it went to plan. We always bring the rain with us.
When I was 10 years old, I used to come here with my grandpa, and he told me we have witches. Do you know what is a witch?
I don't know if you can hear me because it's very loud, all the water. But I'm not scared of heights at all, but looking down it makes you feel a bit queasy. It's quite the canyon. But it's stunning though. Like in the canyon, it's so like not anything I've ever seen before. It's really cool. And he was telling us a bit about the old walkway that the engineers used to use, and it was a lot of people died, and that's why they had to like rebuild this pathway, because it was just like little planks, wasn't it? But luckily it's safe now. Just don't look down. So I think that's kind of part of the old walkway that started to fall apart with all the steps. They look dangerous. 5 people actually died in 1999, obviously from falling from the walkway. So it was considered one of the most dangerous gorges prior to the walkway being constructed. And you can see why. It wouldn't be one of our videos without it chucking it down. How amazing was this view, despite the rain. Smile! Yeah, we've come at a time where it's been raining for 2 weeks solid, so that's why the water is so brown. Zach's disappointed.
Yes, I'm very disappointed. That's what we've got coming up.
Oh, it looks
scared, Amy?
scary from here, but I bet it's not when you're on it.
No, probably not.
Oh, I think that bit over there's pretty cool.
Yeah?
Well, is that what you're thinking of when you thought about a waterfall?
I don't know. I thought there was a really nice big waterfall, but I might be mistaken.
Yeah, it probably looks better when it's all blue water, but I think it's just very churned up. Trust us to come on like one of the only wet days.
Yeah.
It's like our skill. We either come when it's raining or when things are under construction. It's like we've got a special skill.
Little like trickly cave.
You could canoe through that.
That should be a thing.
I think you could white water raft down there, look. You could definitely white water raft. They should make that an excursion.
Oh, wouldn't that be too dangerous?
Like
There's a lot of
all the
rocks.
rocks for extreme sports people. So this man pointed out there was some fish. It's not, you don't expect to see some fish in a canyon. This is an incredible view from this side. It's so loud as well, though, isn't it?
Very loud. Very grand.
Yeah, definitely. It's like the Grand Canyon of Europe.
Spain.
Well,
Yeah.
Spain, yeah. Oh my god, I think the workers used to cross that dodgy looking bridge.
Would you dare go on that, Amy?
No, definitely not. Look at that drop if you fell in. Ah, scary. Oh, it looks much better when it's sunny.
Yeah, it's nice, and it's quite a nice viewpoint.
Yeah. I mean, it looks nice in the rain, but you know, everything's better in the sunshine.
Yeah. There's no barriers here though, so could fall to your death.
Not quite. It's quite a. You'd be caught by the
roll to
trees.
your death, then.
No. It's like something you'd see in the USA, though, isn't it? You know, like with the big,
Yeah, it is.
like mountains, canyonous mountains. If that's a word.
It's very picturesque.
It is very picturesque. Very, very scenic. It makes me want to do more hikes. Mountain hikes.
You can do that by yourself then.
So unadventurous. Yeah, parts of it are a little bit steep, but mainly it's flat, isn't it? Like this bit's a bit muddy. But it's not a strenuous hike, is it? This is usually dry. Can we have some good luck with the weather, please?
Maybe one day.
We're here in March on a Sunday, and we came on the lunchtime trip. I think they do a morning one as well. I'm sliding. Oh no, it's very slidey. Yeah, it's not too busy because everyone is quite spread out, which is good. It doesn't feel too crowded, does it? Oh god, literally my feet are sliding down this. I don't know if this is a deer. Oh, I think it is. We missed it because we were so far behind. It's Bambi. So cute. He's looking.
Oh, looking.
He's like, they've seen me.
We we have water. What else do we need? Food? No, we are not eating goats.
So we keep stopping occasionally, so he tells us some facts about the area, about the flora and fauna, etc., the animals, and we didn't see a deer, it was a goat.
Mountain goat, yeah.
You know, easy mistake to make. We're heading over this way to this stunning view. Well, it's all a stunning view, but this is getting better.
Stunning, and look, blue sky.
Oh my gosh. So the guide has just said that Malaga hasn't had rain like this in 5 years, so we're extremely lucky,
Really
or unlucky.
I don't know how we do it.
We literally do it every single time. Every place we visit is like, this has never happened, we've never had weather like this until we come. So we need to just stop going places.
Literally. Let's just give it up.
This view is absolutely stunning. I really like the afternoon light. I think it's better coming in the afternoon actually, so you get that light on the mountainside, whereas I'm not sure you get that in the morning because it is like 5 p.m. now, so I love it.
It's beautiful.
This looks like the deepest bit. I don't know. I feel like it all looks like the deepest bit.
Yeah, fine, now what?
Yeah. This looks like something's been carved into the side of it.
Yeah, they are. Really nuts though. Like a railway. It's a railway there,
Yeah, the
isn't it?
railway.
I wonder if that's in use.
Well, you can get a train somewhere near here, but I don't know if that one is it. Look at that bridge. Best bit. Best view. Stunning. So that's the old path that was underneath the new path. It looks so sketchy. Would not like to walk on that.
Think about it.
Wow. Stunning view. Nice view on the famous bridge. God, it is very bouncy on this bridge. It's a bit freaky. My God, it's bouncing so much. Yeah, I think if you're scared of heights, you'd freak out on that bridge. It was so bouncy. I thought someone was actually jumping up and down on it. It was that bouncy.
Across the scary bridge.
We've done it. We made it.
I wanted a better photo on it really, but there was like huddling loads of people at once over it and the bridge was rocking, so you couldn't really stop.
Yeah. And on the walk to the bridge, you'll have to stop quite a lot because loads of people are just taking photos for absolutely ages.
Yes, it causes the tailback because it's really narrow.
Yeah.
So you can't really get round. But it's been stunning.
It has.
Little ants climbing up the mountainside.
Yeah. That was quite the climb, wasn't it?
Yeah, that end bit was quite
That was the
hard.
most strenuous part.
It's not been too difficult overall, has it?
No, it's been easy. It's just a lot of steps there. So when you get to the end of the walk, you've got a nice treat. It was only €6 for some toast, sangria.
So some time has passed since we were at the end of the trail and had some nice food at the end, which was really nice, really cheap as well, good value. But then we had a mad rush to the bus, so back at the hotel. But it was a really nice walk. Obviously it rained a little bit. Probably wouldn't if you were here because it doesn't very often apparently, but it was really amazing. Like all the views were really spectacular and it was just really interesting of a walk here and to hear about all the facts about it, so definitely recommend it. But I hope you enjoyed watching, following along, and let us know if you ever come here. But also back in Malaga city centre, and we're going to explore that for a couple of days as well, so there'll be some more vlogs around that. So make sure you subscribe to not miss those, but give the video a thumbs up if you really liked it, and see you in the next one.